Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how to take the Google Veo 3 Pro plan totally for free without any cost. So without wasting the time, let's move on to the desktop screen. So firstly, you'll have to open any of the browser like the Google Chrome or Mozilla, Firefox, etc. So here I'm opening it. Keep in mind, if you wanna subscribe to the Pro plan, firstly you will have to make a fresh Gmail account as I am making right now. Okay, here you'll have to select the three dots and open the new incognito window. And here write it Google accounts, and the first one would pop up Google accounts sign in. Here you'll have to select the create account option. For my personal use, my first name is Afra Heather, so I am selecting Afra, and last name Heather, and next it. After that, select the month, day and year in which you were born, and select if you're female, male or whatever. Here I like the first number. Okay, and password and select phone number. I'm selecting mine, so okay. A verification code send to your number, like 6-digit verification code. So select that and enter it here. So select a recovery email address. So, or you can also skip that. Let's skip it. Okay. Right now I skip that. And yeah, agree it, whatever comes in front of you. But keep in mind, firstly read that. Okay. If you're from India, so this offer would be opened directly in your laptop or mobile. But if you're not from India, so still don't take attention, don't be cooked. I'll guide you. Select the three dots and select the extensions, manage extensions, and go to the Chrome web store. Okay, right? Urban VPN, due to which we will change our IP address and select the Indian IP address. So yeah, Google won't be able to track our search history. And write the website URL again in the URL section. http:// here it comes, and enter that, and boom, here it comes. University students get Gemini in Google AI Pro for 1 year for free, and here we will verify our eligibility. Now they are asking for several details like our school institution name, first name, last name, date of birth, and email address, etc. This offer is for Indian students only, so select the name of any of the Indian institutions. If you're not from India, still you can select that. So I'm selecting the Punjab Kara School of Planning and Architecture, Patiala, Punjab. So I will select this and write your first name. I'm selecting mine, and last name Afra. Okay, and after that, select your date of birth, date 3rd and year 2004. And select your email address. I'm selecting my email address. But keep in mind, don't select directly the verified student status. They will be require your ID card. So you'll have to show them your ID card. So to any browser and write student ID card generator. So here multiple websites come in front of us. Select any of them and make your ID card online. You can use Canva, templates, Scan, or ID creator. I'm preferring you ID creator. So signing to this website and make your ID card. Here are different types of templates. Here they're offering start with templates, and also you can start from a scratch. So this, okay, this one look professional, so select this and edit design. So in this way you can make your student ID card. Firstly edit this, write your name which you have wrote here. Like don't make differences here. They are different and they are different, so you won't be able to get the Google Veo 3 plan for free, because Google won't be able to verify you, because you will be needing to show them your details. So due to which they'll be able to verify that. Without that, they won't be able to verify and won't be able to give you the pro version for 15 months for free. Okay, whatever you have wrote here, so write the same in the ID card generator section. Make your ID card with the same name, same details, date of birth, etc. So then verify your student status, and after that you'll be needing to upload your student ID card. So there are multiple ways to make your student ID card. If you already know something, you can use that also. So when you upload your student ID card, so after that a 30-second pop-up timer would come in front of you. So please wait for it. Obviously you will be verified, but all you have to select your credit card or UPI, etc. They'll detect some money like rupees 2 or 3, but after that they'll refund that again to you. This was a method to subscribe to the Google Veo 3 for 15 months for free. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe and like all of my videos. Bye bye.